Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing micro lesson plan using skill of lesson closure. Lesson closure is done at the end of the teaching where pupil teacher gives summary of lesson. It helps the pupil teacher to find out students who require additional support with the content. This is the format. First you have to write the name of the skill of lesson closure, then name of pupil teacher, subject, this is economic lesson plan, date, topic, class, and then duration. Then you have to make 3 columns. The first column is pupil teacher's activity, second column is students activity, and third column is component use. Pupil teacher will ask question from the content they have taught in the class. Suppose pupil teacher have taught meaning, measures, causes of balance of payment. She will ask question from that much content only, and she will get answer of all the question she have asked in the class. There will be no problematic question. So the first question is, what do you understand by balance of payment? To which student reply, balance of payment is the systematic record of all economic transaction between resident of one country and resident of foreign country. Then she asks, balance of payment is divided into how many parts? Name them. Student reply, balance of payment is divided into 2 parts, current account and capital account. The next question is, what are causes of adverse balance of payment? The causes of adverse balance of payment are fall in foreign demand, political factor, etc. The next question is, what are measures to correct adverse balance of payment? Measures to correct adverse balance of payment are export promotion, import control, etc. After asking 4 questions, draw a margin and give the heading Blackboard summary. Under the Blackboard summary, the pupil teacher have to paste a miniature of the blackboard that will be made up of black chart paper, and she have to write all the answers of the question she have get from the student. Then you have to give the heading instruction and supervision. The pupil teacher will instruct the student to note the blackboard work. Pupil teacher will take round of class to supervise the student. You have to write this in the same manner as I have written. Next is recapitulation. Under this, the pupil teacher will do recapitulation of the content they have taught in the class. She will give any exercise such as true, false, match the following, fill in the blanks, etc. Then pupil teacher will give home assignment. That's all. Thank you for watching.